We've put together a quick tutorial with an overview of Adobe Express for beginners and those who want to learn. Adobe Express is a Canva-style graphic design platform that allows users to create social media content, business or educational presentations, posters, and other visual content. You can register for free on the Adobe Express website and start making the designs you want right away. To register or sign into the Adobe Express website, simply use an email account, a social media account such as Facebook, or an Apple ID. After registration, the first time you log into the Adobe Express website, you will see a welcome message. The welcome message often mentions the various designs and content you can create with Adobe Express, and we'll take a quick look at all of them in a moment. On the platform's homepage, there are main and subheadings for designs or works you might want to design. You can also start designing from your own content, or use ready-made templates and content to create or transform new designs for yourself. If we take a quick tour, as you can see, under the social media heading, you can see pre-designed content and templates that you can use for almost all social media platforms. Whether you are going to produce Instagram posts or Reels, TikTok videos or content for YouTube, or even other platforms, you can use ready-made design templates for almost any content or content component you need. Under the document heading there are ready-made design templates for brochures, resumes, reports, lesson plans, book covers, cards, calendars, and many more personal business or educational documents. There are also ready-made design templates in dozens of different categories for business and marketing infographics, presentations, advertising, and promotional content. We also recommend checking out the new beta feature text-to-image, AI image rendering, and text effect AI tools. We'll talk about AI tools in turn, but first, let us start with creating an example of an Instagram post to give a concrete example. When we select the title of the Instagram post, a clean page opens with the required resolution in exactly 1:1 dimensions, and then we place the template or design components we want in it with drag and drop. The platform offers tutorials and beginner guides to help you learn and explore quickly in the initial phase. We liked a ready-made template on a topic related to drawing art lessons, of which you will see more on our channel soon, and we will turn it into a completely new Instagram post of our own. Adobe Express has a system that supports a layered structure. We chose to have a white crinkly textured paper mural in the background, and we imported and resized one of them into our design. We included a hand drawing a line with a pencil among the visual media components. By the way, there is a tool that automatically removes the backgrounds of images or photos that we add or upload. Background removal allows us to automatically remove the background with a single command. We can enrich our design with text, shapes, images, and other design components, change the size, style, color, and many other features according to our preferences. We can also create a style with ready-made styles or with our own preferences. You are free to place components and create compositions with your design knowledge and skills, while the ready-made and facilitating tools and elements offered by the platform help you. If you want, you can step out of the box and create your own design with your own unique style. Now that our Instagram post is ready, we can share it on our social media accounts, download it to our device, or share it at a later date. There is a planner that allows us to share at a later date, and we can schedule it to be on the date and time we want. The designs and works we create are also saved in the Your Stuff section, where they are kept as a backup for us, unless we delete them voluntarily and even allow us to access our previous works to continue later. The Explore section of the platform showcases a wide range of new templates, photos, stylized text, images, videos, backgrounds, and design components. Let's take a look at the text-to-image, image creation section we talked about earlier. It asks us which image we want to create. Here we enter prompts and indicate in writing the properties and description of the image to be created. We can then add styles and other features using the ready-made options. For example, let's ask it to create an image of a horse with wings, and we will see different results as we determine its style and other characteristics. Each time, we can create a similar or very different and new image. We can manipulate, adjust and change the color contrast and all other properties of all the images and photos we use on the platform in almost as much detail as in Adobe Photoshop and in a much more practical and easy way. Let's use the platform's AI to create a new stylized text with a medieval theme. With the Load More option, the AI can produce different results without changing the entered features. We can also use the visuals or stylized text we produce with artificial intelligence in our designs, or download our device in any format we wish. As we mentioned earlier, you can choose from hundreds of ready-made templates for social media, modify them, or create new designs inspired by them. We'll choose one or more of the ready-made templates, and then we'll get inspired and quickly create a brand new YouTube thumbnail design. In addition to design components, ready-made graphic images and backgrounds, we can also import and include external images, graphics and photos, videos, audio files, and other content components. Since our main goal in this tutorial is a quick introduction and overview of the platform, we won't go into too much detail about most of the tools for now. In fact, the platform's interface is so practical, user-friendly, and intuitive that you can easily learn and use many tools and features simply by trial and error, even if you have no knowledge. If you haven't watched our previous Canva tutorial, we highly recommend you to do so. Most of the tools and features are very similar. Basically, such platforms are user-friendly, practical and fast, allowing you to create content in minutes that would take hours with industry standard Adobe Photoshop, GIMP or other elaborate applications. The thumbnail we designed is ready, and we can easily download and use it in any format we want. You can also create an animated character with your own voice on the Adobe Express platform. After selecting the character and background, you record your voice, then the result is processed and synchronized with the character, and you can have your chosen character speak in an animated way.
Make an animated character with your own voice.
You can then use this animated talking character in any content or download it to your device.
Make an animated character with your own voice.
We have come to the end of the content, which is a quick introduction and overview of the Adobe Express platform. We will continue with more beautiful trainings, and we will be with you again very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.